Air heating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is line 1. Line 1 extruder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 2. Air heating 1, air heating 2. This 1, 2. This is line 1 motor controller. Line 2 motor controller. Blower motor controller. Line 1. Line 1 motor. Line 2 motor. Line 2 motor. Blower. This one is the blower. Blower motor. Okay, this is the all line connection. Now I introduce you one from one. First one is blower. Blower maintenance. Firstly, we should add oil. Before we adding oil, each year, every year, we must change the oil. Oil adding, the middle red line is point okay, not beyond red points. Oil add. Here is the oil up. Blower connection. This is the connection. This one line 1. This one line 2. This is connection with air heating gun. Air heating gun. This will let PP filter surface more smooth. This one, air connection. Okay, to air heating connection with extruder. This should cover the keep warm. Here just a demo. We will give you keep warm tubes. Cover it again. Connection to motors. This is 2-line auto feeder. Line 1, line 2. Starting from left, 1, 2. Now we have not installed the model because we firstly to clean the screw and barrel. This is the receiver. This is the auto cutting. Now we can cleaning the screw and barrel. Firstly, we should pull on. This is the pulse by wires. Firstly, we should start this one. Okay, now waiting. Go is power on. 先关掉。And starting. Cooling fan is working. Now is our cleaning process. Firstly, we should starting line 1, line 2, heating 4 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is our setting temperature. Green is our setting. Now is present temperature value. Now we are waiting. At this time, we can fit in the material into the extruder. Now we go here. And temperature heating. Take care. People not stand here. 等一下啊。Now is our auto feeder, tubes feeding, all feeding in the bucket, material feeding. Now we're starting material feeding. You will see material down inside it. Same tool. All feeding. This is automatically. If feeder hoop is full material, he will stop automatically. Now, material feeding. Now we are waiting. Now we are waiting almost 30 minutes. Temperature will arrive. Then we can start the motor. Just waiting 30 minutes.